What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get or export your Nova private key. So let's get started. Now first off, let's install the Nova extension so we can access our private key. So just go ahead and click Add to Chrome right here and click Add Extension. Now just make sure that the publisher of this extension is TradeNova.io. So once the extension is installed, you can click on the Extensions tab and just go ahead and pin this extension right here so it's more easily accessible. Now after that, you want to go to the Nova website, this one right here, click .tradenova.io. Now once you're here, we already downloaded this. As you can see right here, it says remove from Chrome. So from here you can just click connect to Telegram right here or right here. So once I connect this to Telegram, this page will load and I will just click open Telegram for desktop. So keep in mind that you would need to have your Telegram desktop app installed on your PC. Now once you click that, go ahead and click start right here. And now here you would need to input your access code. Now I will leave an access code in the description below if you guys want to use that to skip this 2-hour waiting period. And now once you paste over the access code, you will have access to the Nova trading bot. And now after accessing the trading bot, you will need to click continue right here. And then your private key will be right here. Now just be sure not to share this private key with anyone and just store it safely. So once NovaBot shows you your private key, you can just copy it and paste it or import it wherever you want. Now if you want to know how to import the Nova private key into your Bulex or Bulex Neo account, you can watch this video right here. So that's guys how you can get or export your NovaBot private key. Thank you for watching.